Hi guys, today we're gonna show you how we make a stir-fry steak with sauteed mushrooms. Hi guys, Manny from Gourmet Takeaway. Today we're gonna show you how we gonna be doing and cooking stir-fried steak with sauteed mushrooms. But first, if you like, you can subscribe and join us on Facebook, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, which we appreciate, and that help us bring you more videos. And here on our YouTube channel, you'll find a lot of ideas and recipes made specially for you. And if you like them, check them out. We have different lessons for you. And please subscribe if you like it. Okay, steak with sauteed mushrooms. Okay, let's do this. Okay, here we have this two steaks. It's a tenderloin steaks left over from yesterday. Or you could use any steak you want, either cooked or freshly boiled, whatever you like. We're gonna use this with sauteed mushroom. See, the sauteed mushroom recipe, we already posted that, and we have a video on our YouTube channel as well. Okay, so I'm gonna cut my steak into strips, and then after that we're gonna be stir frying it, and we add the mushrooms to it. Okay, here we are. We cut our cooked steak. This steak was cooked yesterday and left over, so now we cut it into strips, and now we can stir fry it. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit olive oil. Okay, now we add our steak, tenderloin steak, stir fry. Okay, we're gonna stir fry the steak lightly just to warm it up. We're gonna add a little bit of salt, a bit of pepper, and we stir fry everything together. We're gonna add the mushroom as much as you want as far as mushroom concerned. All right, and we stir fry everything together, the mushroom mixture and the tenderloin, and we are stir frying them on medium heat just to warm things up. Okay, here we are. Our steak stir fry with the mushroom is ready. Here we are. Our steak is beautifully done, delicious, and we're serving it with a side order of burger pilaf and soybeans and carrot mixture. Delicious. I hope you guys try it and let us know. Bye for now. And you can also make a nice, delicious roll-up with the steak. All you need is a salad. Here what we have is a salad dressed with olive oil, little bit of lemon juice, and salt and pepper. A simple salad, and we add our steak to it, and we'll show you how we do it. Here we are. We add our salad to the roll-up like that. Okay, and then we add our meat, see, like that. Okay, and then we roll it up like this. All right, here we are. Here's our roll up. Okay, and then if you like, you can cut it like that. And here we are. Delicious stir fry steak roll up. Enjoy!